Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the easy Neb Nebulizer. First, ensure you have all your components ready, including the compressor, medication cup, mouthpiece or mask, and tubing. Always begin by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water to maintain hygiene. Next, find a stable, flat surface for your nebulizer and plug it into an electrical outlet. Finally, connect the air tubing firmly to both the compressor and the medication cup. This ensures a proper seal for effective treatment delivery. Now, let's prepare your medication. Carefully open the prescribed medication vial, being mindful not to spill any. Pour the entire dose directly into the nebulizer cup. After adding the medication, securely attach either the mouthpiece or the mask to the top of the medication cup. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure. This step is crucial for preventing any medication leaks and ensuring you receive the full, intended dose. With everything assembled, it's time to start your treatment. Turn on the nebulizer compressor, and you'll see a fine mist begin to form. Sit comfortably upright and breathe slowly and deeply through the mouthpiece or mask. It's important to take steady breaths to ensure the medication reaches your lungs effectively. Continue this process until all the medication is nebulized and the mist stops, which usually takes about 5 to 15 minutes. After each treatment, proper cleaning is essential for hygiene and longevity. Disassemble all the parts, separating the medication cup, mouthpiece or mask, and tubing. Wash the medication cup and mouthpiece or mask with warm, soapy water. Rinse them thoroughly with clean water and allow them to air dry completely on a clean surface. Store your easy Neb Nebulizer and its components in a clean, dry place, ready for your next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.